My name is Dante.
And my name is Alessandra.
Why you're hanging upside down?
Oh, because I thought we could make a fun book plan upside down.
Let's get serious, or I'm gonna do another face mask. Like, you don't want to be like the last episode. That hurted. You wondering how to make a fun book plan, right? It's the second most important part of the thing to make a book. So, if you don't have a fun book plan, it's almost impossible to start.
Why do you need a book plan?
Because it makes you more organized. It can make you spend quality time with your parents, unless you have some vicious parents. And, well, then they're happy to spend time with you because you're their children.
And you can also finish your work quicker, and also you know when you end. And you get excited too.
And another reason you need a book plan is also for this one thing that is going to make you famous or not famous. And that is, drum roll please, so you can do less work, you don't forget, and done done, done done, done done, done done. So you're getting excited when you're almost finished. So how to build a book plan? One of these is a classic. The classic that you see everywhere in fiction or non-fiction. Drum roll, please. The chapter. So this is how you make a chapter. So these are the title to your chapter. This is, in this case, with my book, I'll just say this is like the Age of Fish. And these are like the titles of my pages, like placoderms, cartilaginous fishes, and bony fishes. And this one is like the water or land. Point is, if you want to make a fun book plan, you need to have a chapter. And also,
you can also make a storyboard.
Dun dun dun! Da 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 da! Dun.
You can do drawings, writing,
or both.
Or both.
And the making is just basically putting line, 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 line. It's basically this whole bunch of lines that you make it into squares. In this case, 12 squares. And you basically take a piece of paper and draw all lines until you end up making 12 squares.
It's 3 lines going up and down, and 2 lines going to side and to side. But storyboards can have lots, like 17,
16, 15.
You can have as much as you want.
Depending on the size of the paper, of course.
Mm-hmm. One of the things you can do is write what you do in the beginning and write what you do at the end, and fill in the things in the middle.
A book plan could help to make a schedule with your parents, so you can, like, basically, grammar, spelling, those things that you learn at school that you also need help. So your parents can help you on the spelling, so you don't, like, when you publish it, no one thinks, that they don't know about spelling in the middle of your book. That's gonna be very embarrassing. And you can also try to make your book plan as simple as possible. Don't try to make it as complex as possible the first time. Okay, so this is Dante Camarzi.
Alessandra Camarzi.
And see you in the next video
topic
that is drum roll! How to make your title.